Letterland, Letterland, there could be no better land for eating a duck, a man with a hat, an orange or two, and a clever old cat. So let's go to Letterland.
One, two, three, hi.
Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Roaming with the Richards. I'm Angelica. This is my husband Jonathan, and Charlotte is with us today. We are here at Tweetsie Railroad. We are here for their Letterland event. Now this is a little bit different event than usual. They do a lot of school groups here, so it's during the week, but they do allow the season pass holders to come in. So it is focused on smaller kids, learning the alphabet, and just a lot of fun characters roaming around. Everybody's got a different letter assigned, so you've got C for the cat, V for Violet, and you can meet a lot of different people. Also, they've got 3 different shows, one off the train ride, one at the Tweetsie Palace, and one up at Miners Mountain at that stage. So we are going to go around, check out, and see what all you can experience here at Letterland.
Letterland, Letterland, there could be no better land for eating a duck, a man with a hat, an orange or two, and a clever cat. So let's go to Letterland, Letterland.
So one of the shows here at Tweetsie for Letterland is over here by the Tweetsie Palace and is Question Our Kids. So let's go ahead and head inside and check it out.
Quickly and quietly, take your seats. Quickly and quietly, please. I was quietly lying on my quilt, quenching myself with a quart of quince sorbet, when I thought of you, my quaint and loyal subjects. Now I know it might sound a bit quirky, but I thought I would compose a quiz of questions about Letterland. I don't suppose you will know the answers to any of them, but we shall see as I quarry through your brains to quiz the quality of your knowledge of Letterland. Are you ready for the first question? Good, but please answer quietly and quickly. Question 1. I like adding up apples and feeding them to my antelope friends. Who is that? Quite right. It is Abby Apple.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Quiet, I say. Quickly, quit this running about.
Sorry, Your Majesty. Walter Wallace Wetterland meets slithering Sam, a king who can kick, a quarrelsome queen, or a big noisy Nick. So let's go to Letterland. Let's go to Letterland today.
All right, so up here in Miners Mountain at the Tweetsie Depot, there is one more show. You got Young Vicky's New Journey. Those are the letters we're gonna learn.
And I just love flowers, especially violets. I just love their velvet Palace. I live in a village in the Letterland Valley where I grow vegetables as well as violets. Don't you just love my vase? It's very valuable. Noisy Nick, turn that music down. It's very, very loud. It's too loud. The volume is too loud.
It's not too loud. It's never too loud. Hey!
That noise is probably some violation of some law.
No way.
Jumping Jim, let's try juggling just like Jim. He juggles with one hand, now with two, and a jiggery juggle that's just for you. Jumping Jim, jumping Jim, jumping Jim.
Oh, jeepers! What's going on out here?
It's Noisy Nick. He's being a nuisance.
Are you joking?
No, I'm not.
Well, don't judge. He's just being a jovial juvenile.
Thank you, Juggling Jim. Here, listen to this.
Doesn't this noise interfere with your juggling?
No! It makes me want to jump!
Hey!
Oh look, it's Yellow Yo-Yo Man!
Yo-yos for sale? Yes, I have yellow yo-yos for sale.
Yo-Yo Man, I'm so glad you're here.
Well, yesterday I was out sailing on my yacht, and today I'm selling yellow yo-yos to these wonderful youth.
Yo-Yo Man, I'm very unhappy.
I yield to your pleasure.
Noisy Nick has the volume too loud on his music.
Is that true, Nick?
No, Yo-Yo. Check this out.
This is too much. Oh well, if you can't beat him, join him.
Letterland, there could be no better land for meeting a duck, a man with a hat, an orange or two, and a clever old cat. So let's go to Letterland, Letterland, Letterland. Walter Walrus Wetterland meets slithering Sam, a king who can kick, a quarrelsome queen, all meet Noisy Nick. So let's go to Letterland, let's go to Letterland today.
All right, as you can see, we are loaded onto the Ferris wheel. The good thing about Letterland is all of the rides are fully operational during the event. So we have gotten to ride everything we wanted to today.
All right, so we knocked out 2 shows. It's time to knock out the 3rd show. So it's time to hop on board on the train and let's take a train ride.
We're here at the fort in the forest to find Red Robot!
Firefighter breath stands firm and steady with a helmet on his head and the hose held ready, for he's making things safer for you and me.
Red Robot's trying to steal the vowel sound!
He can never take my apples. I will aim arrows if he asks for it.
Under no circumstances will I let him take any of my ukuleles.
Hush! I think I hear him. I failed to see any sign of forewarning.
You'll escape the ruby ring, you'll run away with everything, so raise the red alert and forward. I just ripped off your radio, your ruler, and your remote control.
Remote control! Freeze, Red Robot!
I replied by running around. Who's that robot with the radar car? Oh no, it looks like Arthur in his radar car.
Ah! He has appropriated my apple!
Did I hurt you? Maybe you felt nerves. You didn't see me lurking, did you?
Freeze, Philip!
Never!
I have a plan.
Firefighter Fred is fond of frogs, but Red Robot is not. He's so afraid of frogs, you see, he turns from red to white. All right, I'll give everything back.
All right, well that was fun, right, everybody? Hey, you know what else is fun? Singing the Letterland song. Sing with us.
Letterland, there could be no better land for meeting a duck, a man with a hat, an orange or two, and a clever old cat. So let's go to Letterland, Letterland, Letterland. Walter Walrus, Wetterland, meet slithering Sam, a king who can kick, a quarrelsome queen, all meet noisy Nick. So let's go to Letterland, let's go to Letterland today. Before you go, will you help me with a dance? Ain't that?
Oh, I like it! I like it! Oh, he's going. He says bye. He says bye. He says bye. He says
Casey, let's get this train on back to town.
All right, guys, so that's going to do it for us today here at Tweetsie Railroad for Letterland. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if y'all did, help us out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We'll catch y'all next time.
Thanks for watching.
Later.